Have you ever wondered what's beyond the Earth in the vastness of space? Our home, the Earth, is just one tiny speck in a grand cosmic ballet, a part of a family of celestial bodies that we call the solar system. This intricate dance of astrophysical bodies is an awe-inspiring testament to the mysterious beauty of the universe. Imagine a stage. At its center, a star takes the spotlight. This is our Sun, the heart of the solar system. It's a massive, radiant sphere of hot plasma, accounting for over 99% of the total mass of our little cosmic neighborhood. The Sun's immense gravitational force is the choreographer of this celestial performance, holding all the members of the solar system in their orbits and providing the energy that fuels life as we know it. Sharing the stage with the Sun are 8 planets, each with their own unique characteristics and fascinating stories. These include the inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, often referred to as the terrestrial planets. They're primarily composed of rock and metal, and each has a solid surface to stand on. Beyond the inner planets, between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, lies an intriguing region known as the asteroid belt. This is a cosmic shooting gallery, populated by millions of rocky remnants from the early solar system, ranging in size from small boulders to objects hundreds of kilometers across. Further out, we find the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Imagine a massive luminous sphere of hot plasma that accounts for over 99% of the total mass of the solar system. Yes, that's our Sun. This celestial powerhouse is not just the center of our solar system, but it's also the gravitational glue that holds everything together. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, dictating the rhythm and keeping everything in harmony. But the Sun's role extends beyond its gravitational prowess. It's also our primary source of energy, fueling life on Earth and dictating the conditions of our neighboring planets. Through a process called nuclear fusion, it transforms hydrogen into helium, releasing an incredible amount of heat and light in the process. This radiant energy is what makes our world warm and livable. It's what makes the other planets gleam in the night sky, and it's what drives the solar winds that shape the outermost limits of the solar system. From this fiery furnace, we move towards the rocky realms of the inner planets. Closest to our Sun, we find the terrestrial planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These celestial bodies, composed primarily of rock and metal, each hold their own unique allure within our solar system's rocky realms. First in line is Mercury, the smallest of the terrestrial quartet. This planet, despite its proximity to the Sun, experiences a stark contrast in temperatures, with its sunlit side reaching scorching highs, while its dark side succumbs to frigid lows. Its surface, scarred by countless craters, is a testament to its turbulent past. Next, we have Venus, often dubbed as Earth's sister planet due to their similar size and composition. However, don't let the sibling analogy fool you. Venus is far from hospitable. Its atmosphere, thick with carbon dioxide, creates a greenhouse effect, trapping heat and making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Then, we have our home, Earth. This blue and green sphere is the only known celestial body to support life. Its diverse environment, complete with oceans, continents, and a life-sustaining atmosphere, sets it apart from its rocky counterparts. Finally, we arrive at Mars, the enigmatic red planet. Its rusty red appearance and intriguing geological features, such as polar ice caps, canyons, and extinct volcanoes, have captured the fascination of scientists for centuries. Recent missions have even unearthed evidence of water beneath its surface, further fueling the possibility of life beyond Earth. Each of these terrestrial planets, despite their shared rocky composition, presents a unique world waiting to be explored. They are a testament to the diversity and wonder that exists within the rocky realms of our solar system. From these rocky neighbors, we voyage onwards to a region littered with remnants from the early solar system, the asteroid belt. Between Mars and Jupiter lies a region populated by millions of rocky objects. Welcome to the asteroid belt. This vast expanse is a sort of cosmic rubble pile, filled with remnants from the early solar system. Here, asteroids, the undersized siblings of planets, hold court. They vary in size, from boulders no larger than a car to behemoths hundreds of kilometers across. Each asteroid is a time capsule, preserving the raw materials that helped form the planets over 4.5 billion years ago. Some of these rocky bodies even harbor water, the elixir of life as we know it. The asteroid belt is not just a collection of rocks, but a field of scientific inquiry, offering vital clues about our solar system's past and perhaps our planet's future. Leaving this rocky frontier, we now journey to the realm of the gas giants. Beyond the asteroid belt, we come across the four gas giants: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These celestial behemoths, predominantly composed of hydrogen and helium, lack solid surfaces but offer some of the solar system's most fascinating sights. First up is Jupiter, a planet that's known for its immense size and powerful storms. The most notable of these storms is the iconic Great Red Spot, a tempest larger than Earth that's been raging for centuries. Jupiter's formidable magnetic field and its entourage of moons, including the four largest Galilean moons, further add to its intrigue. Next in line is Saturn, a planet that's famous for its stunning ring system. Composed of icy particles and debris, these rings paint a mesmerizing picture in the cosmos. Saturn, the second largest planet, shares a similar composition to Jupiter. Its thick atmosphere and many moons make it another fascinating gas giant. Then we have Uranus, a planet that stands out for its unique tilt. It rotates on its side, a likely result of a massive collision early in its history. Its pale blue coloration, courtesy of methane in its atmosphere, and its collection of rings and moons are other distinctive features. Finally, we reach Neptune, the farthest known planet from the Sun. It's a cold and windy world with a deep blue hue. Neptune is known for its weather patterns, including the fastest winds in the solar system. It's orbited by a diverse array of moons and a faint ring system. Thus, each of these gas giants, while sharing some common features, possess unique characteristics that set them apart. Their sheer size, turbulent atmospheres, and the mysteries they hold have captivated scientists and space enthusiasts alike. From the gas giants, we move to the outer edges of our solar system, where dwarf planets and trans-Neptunian objects reside. Not all bodies in our solar system have the status of a planet. Meet the dwarf planets and trans-Neptunian objects. Beyond the realm of the 8 recognized planets, there is an intriguing assortment of celestial bodies that don't quite fit the traditional definition of a planet. These are the dwarf planets, which are similar to planets in some respects but haven't cleared their orbits of other debris, a key criterion for full planetary status. One of the most famous dwarf planets is Pluto. Once considered the 9th planet of our solar system, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Despite its demotion, Pluto continues to captivate us with its icy surface, heart-shaped glacier, and 5 known moons. Then there's Eris, a dwarf planet that's slightly larger than Pluto and located in the scattered disk, a distant area of the solar system. Named after the Greek goddess of strife and discord, Eris has one moon, Dysnomia. Next up is Haumea, a dwarf planet in the Kuiper belt with a unique elongated shape. This odd shape is due to its incredibly fast rotation. Haumea is also notable for its 2 moons and a surface covered in crystalline water ice. Makemake, another resident of the Kuiper belt, is about 2/3 the size of Pluto. This dwarf planet doesn't have any moons, and it's named after the creation deity of the Rapa Nui people of Easter Island. And let's not forget Ceres, the only dwarf planet located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Ceres stands out for its water vapor geysers and potential for subsurface liquid water. Beyond the dwarf planets, we also have the icy bodies of the Kuiper belt. This region extends from the orbit of Neptune and is populated by countless icy bodies, the building blocks of the solar system. So, that was a brief journey through our solar system. Remember, the universe is vast and there's always more to explore.